one last sign of wildlife on the way back to the camp. These tracks here are gray squirrel. And boy, there ain't so many gray squirrels around here now as there was 2 weeks ago. Now that we've had a good heavy snow, I had for supper last night squirrel stew. Yummy, yummy, yummy. No, I didn't break out the 12 gauge and pop them off with bird shot. Let's see if you can see it from here. Okay. Right there is a pole. Runs on an angle. Well, I've got on that pole 8 separate snares. That's a squirrel pole. And in one night, I took 6 squirrels on that one squirrel pole in one night. Right now, my snares are down under the pole instead of up on top because I've got more squirrel than I need. Except that it's so cold around here, it ain't going to spoil. It's hanging inside from the rafter, waiting for me to use it. My squirrel stew last night was with 2 carcasses, and I still got a half a pot of stew to go that I haven't ate yet. But I will. Yummy. So, I got to admit, I'd rather be having beaver tail stew, but squirrel stew will do. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to